Assalamualaikum and good morning to all. Welcome to today's class. I hope everyone is doing fine at home. So today we are going to learn past continuous tense. Let's get started. Okay, before we go further, we have to know the usage of past continuous tense. The first one is to describe parallel actions. Let's look at the example. While I was washing the dishes, I heard a loud noise. As you can see, there are two things happen at one time. The second one, to describe what someone was doing at a particular point in time. I was working in the garden all day yesterday. So we are describing an action at a certain time, which is yesterday. The third one, to express interrupted action in the past. I was driving to work when I crashed my car. So we are talking about an action that is interrupted. He was going to work, but something happened in the process of going to the work. And the fourth one, to describe repetition and irritation. He was always complaining in class. So in this action, we are talking about something that always happened again and again, which is repetition and irritation. Next one. Okay, so this is the structure of past continuous tense. We have three forms of past continuous tense. The first one is positive, the second one is negative, and the third one is interrogative or questions. So for positive forms, we have subject plus was or were plus verb with ing. For example, she was cooking all morning. Okay, she is the subject, was, and then the verb with ing, all morning, the time frame. And the negative one is subject, was or were plus not. Okay, you have to put not to show it is negative, and then verb plus ing. She was not sleeping when he came home. Okay, and then the third one is interrogative or question forms. So the structure is was or were. You have to put was or were in the front, followed by subject and then verb plus ing. Let's look at example. Was she sleeping when he came home? Okay, that is the three forms that we have in past continuous tense. Okay, now we are going to see a more detailed information for past continuous. So in this picture, I am trying to tell you who will be using was, who will be using were, who will be using was not, and who will be using were not. Okay, so up here, I, you, he, she, it are the singular verb, singular nouns that will be using was, but you, except you, even though it is single, but it is special, so you have to use were. I was, you were. He, she, it singular. He, she, it is singular, so we use was. I was. And then you, remember, you is very special. So we have to use, even though it is single, we have to use were. Okay, and then followed by the ing. Verb plus ing. And the same thing goes to negative form. I, you, he, she, it. I was not, you were not. Okay, remember you, we have to use were. He, she, it was not, followed by working. Verb plus ing. While for the plural verb, the plural nouns, we use there are we, you, they. We will be using were, verb plus ing. And the same thing goes to negative. We, you, they were not working. Okay, we use were. We use were. Okay, now let's look Next slide. Okay, this is question forms. Normally, in the normal form, we have subject and in the front. Now, when we go to the question form, the subject became at the back and we bring it to the front. The same thing goes to for the plural subject. Were to the front, we goes to the back. Okay. Okay, these are the example of the sentences for affirmative or positive, negative, interrogative or question. I was playing, you were playing, he was playing, she was playing, it was playing, we were playing, you were playing, they were playing. Okay, and for the negative one, we have to put not. I was not playing or I wasn't playing. You weren't playing, he wasn't playing, and the rest you can read yourself. And last one, interrogative. Was, were in the front, followed by subject and verb plus ing. Was I playing? Were you playing? Was he playing? Okay, you can read yourself for the rest. Okay, I hope everyone understand. If you have any problem, you can ask me in the group and then you can answer after you watch this video. I've given you a set of questions. You can try to answer that and we will see your understanding on this topic together. Okay, that is all for today class. Thank you.